Good morning, students. In previous class, we studied about the demographic transition theory. This theory is given by Thomson, Notestein, and Peter Haggard. Thomson, Notestein, and Peter Haggard. After demographic transition, the population illiterate person convert in the little person, industrial person convert in farmer convert in the industrial person, and farmer convert in the industrial person, and rural population convert in the urban population after the demographic transition. About this theory, gives here the stages 5 stages by Uno and Bergdorfer, Blaker, Simon also express their views about the stages. Total here 5 stages considered in demographic transition theory. In previous class we studied about whole part of the demographic transition theory, and now we explain again by the diagram. Yeah, we will study about demographic transition theory through the diagram. Clear? This part here, this part show stages. ठीक है, axis show stages and the y-axis show here the death rate and birth rate. Death rate and birth rate. Clear? This line show birth rate and this line show here death rate. Full line show birth rate and the dot line here show death rate. Clear? All this theory is mentioned based on the birth rate and the death rate. Here we also note here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 20, 30, 35. All these are here increasing digits, birth rate and death rate increasing digit, but particular we note here, write all these. Clear? We explain without these digits. ठीक है, for accuracy. So first of all here in first stage, high birth rate and high death rate. Here low death rate express here the below side and upper side here the high death rate and high birth rate. So high birth rate here and high death rate here. Dot express here death rate. Clear? In this first stage. In first stage here high death rate and high birth rate. Here note the education facility and the medical facility. So here birth rate is also high and the death rate is also high. The African country before the 2000 AD, all these are include approach here the Niger, Congo, Ghana, Angola are included in the first stage. Now in present time here the maximum tribes are included in the first stage. These stages are given by the Bergdorfer, Blaker, and Simon. Clear? And the second stage, high birth rate and high death rate, but at last here the death rate decreasing. In the second stage, not here in second stage, high birth rate. Clear? High birth rate and high death rate, but at last here the death rate decreasing. In second stage. In second stage, lack of here education facility. So lack of education here the birth rate is also high in this second stage, but at last here the in stage the medical facilities provided for human, then here death rate is decreased. In the second stage, all these country like here the Niger, Ghana, Angola, ठीक है, are include in the second stage after 2000 AD. Clear? And the third stage, high birth rate. Also here the now high birth rate and here high birth rate high birth rate and medium death rate. High birth rate and the medium death rate. In this situation here, third stage. In third stage, high birth rate and the medium death rate. Here death rate is decreasing and birth rate here the high. India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, all these are country included in this third stage. Here education facility increase, but here the not properly increase. ठीक है, and here death rate is decreasing day by day due to availability of the medical facilities. In the fourth stage, birth rate decrease and the birth rate medium birth rate and the death rate is decreased and the low death rate here in fourth stage. In fourth stage birth rate decrease, ठीक है, medium birth rate and the death rate decrease, then here the low death rate and the medium birth rate. Medical facility increase here, so availability of the medical facility, death rate decrease and the low death rate. Then here education facility also increase, then the people understand about the high population are the not beneficial, then also here the birth rate is decrease. So in this stage found medium birth rate and the low death rate in situation. Yeah, fourth stage, China, USA, New Zealand, Australia, all these countries are included in the fourth stage. And the last stage, birth rate also decreasing and death rate also decreasing. Yeah, low birth rate and low death rate found. Low birth rate and low death rate found. Low birth rate and low death rate found in the fifth stage. Low birth rate and the low death rate. Russia, Western European countries, Japan, all these countries are included in the stage number 5. Here the low birth rate and the low death rate, and here the fear to decrease the population. Here fear to decrease the population in this country. यानी यहाँ पे क्या जो population है वो कम होने की possibility बन रही है और हो भी रहा है. Russia, Japan and the Western European countries, all these are the developed countries are included in the 5 stages. So here 5 stages about the demographic transition theory. In the first stage, high birth rate and the high death rate, and second stage here the high birth rate and the high death rate but decreasing death rate in the last. Then here in third stage, high birth rate and medium death rate. In fourth stage here medium birth rate and low death rate. In the stage 5, low birth rate and the low death rate. All these are here. What happened? Here tribals group, all these people are depend on the nature, and then here they increase the quality, here the education facility and the medical facilities, and the people convert in the developed countries. All these are formed by the demographic transition. So this theory is given by Thomson, Notestein and Peter Haggard. ठीक है, तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे ना, जैसे आपको ये डायग्राम बनाया ना, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू वीडियो को देखते जाएंगे और ये डायग्राम बनाते जाएंगे. क्लियर? तो इजी वे में आ जाएगा.